All right, today we're taking a look at the Oracle Vector Grille. That's right, for 2024, we've made significant changes not only to the daytime running light modules on the grille, but to the grille itself. In the past, we've had some issues with the daytime running lights. If high pressure water was applied to the front of the lights, moisture could potentially seep into the seal, causing issues with the LEDs. Over the years, we've made several changes to the daytime running lights to try to correct this issue, but still, in some extreme circumstances, moisture could still find its way in. So to resolve this issue, for once and for all, we have gone and designed a completely new mounting system for the daytime running light. That includes making new molds for the daytime running light and for the Vector Grille itself to correct these issues moving forward. This means we have a whole new design that attaches the daytime running lights to the grille and does so in a manner that does not compromise the ability of the seal. With this new design, the daytime running lights physically attach to the grille itself by means of a series of precisely designed clips, preventing any possibility of separation between the rear housing and the front of the lens of the daytime running light. This separation is what we found ultimately caused potential failures in the past. In addition, the seal material is now applied with computer-controlled robotic systems for high precision application, and then each daytime running light is individually tested before being approved to assemble onto the grille. We are proud to now offer a product that can stand up to whatever environment you put your Jeep into. For more information about these changes or about the Vector Grille itself, be sure to visit www.oraclelights.com/vector or call us at 1-800-407-5776.